This African buffalo isn't being chased by a lion. It's desperately fighting hundreds of parasites that are driving it into a frenzy. The parasites have invaded every vulnerable part of its body, and the pain is so intense that the buffalo can't stop fighting itself. Desperate for relief, the buffalo charges through thorn bushes, hoping the sharp branches will tear the parasites away. Nothing works. The buffalo hurls itself onto the ground again, fighting a battle against enemies it cannot even see. The irritation becomes unbearable, and the buffalo attacks the nearest tree with explosive force. Exhausted and covered in dust, the buffalo suddenly notices a river in the distance and begins a desperate sprint toward the water. Then something unexpected begins to happen beneath the surface, and the river reveals one of Africa's most remarkable survival partnerships. The fish begin attacking the parasites directly, pecking and pulling at ticks hidden deep within the buffalo's skin folds. As the fish continue cleaning below the surface, a second wave of helpers suddenly arrives from the sky. The birds immediately begin pulling blood-filled ticks from the buffalo's ears, horn bases, and deep folds of skin. Above the water, the birds remove parasites from the buffalo's head and neck, while below the surface, the fish continue cleaning every submerged part of its body. The fish are no longer circling. They begin attacking the parasites directly, crowding into the buffalo's skin folds and pulling blood-filled ticks from its body. Wherever the parasites are most concentrated, the fish crowd into the same spot, fighting over blood-filled ticks hidden deep within the buffalo's skin. The fish move across the buffalo's body in coordinated waves, cleaning its belly, thighs, knees, and hooves with astonishing precision. The cleaning never stops. Every time one fish removes a parasite, another immediately takes its place, creating an endless chain of underwater cleaners. Gradually, the buffalo begins to change. The violent shaking slows, its muscles relax, and for the first time in hours, its body stops fighting itself. Now, the river and the sky are working together. Fish clean the buffalo below the surface, while red-billed oxpeckers remove the last blood-filled ticks from its head, neck, and shoulders. The parasites are gone. The river has given the buffalo something every battle could not: relief.